Today we are making Cuban bread pudding with a modern twist, Miami food family style. So we are making Cuban bread pudding. If you know about Cuban bread, you know that it's best eaten fresh, day of. The day after, you have a full-blown weapon, like a baseball bat. Let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna spray a baking dish. Always check in the oven when you're in a Hispanic household. Look at that. Canola.
Get the sides.
That's a lot. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut our Cuban bread into 1-inch cubes. Someone already ate a piece of this one. Who did it? I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So I'd say that this one's probably like a perfect piece right here. I'm gonna get these and we are going to go ahead and put them in our greased baking dish. That's why I have my mom here. And we're gonna continue. Cuban bread. You wake up on Sunday mornings and it's just something that you crave. Cuban bread, tostada, and some café con leche. And it's just like easy like a Cuban Sunday morning. That was pretty bad. Funny story, I cut myself once. So I was at a friend's house, chocolate chip cookies. She had like a bar of chocolate, that's all she had. So we were like, all right, let's chop it. I'm like, I got this. I was like 12. And then I chopped my finger because I thought I was such, you know, a badass in the kitchen. Practice safe knife techniques. Because if not, a scar on your finger. Okay, this is taking a really long time, so we're gonna just like pretend that we're done. Like, watch, ready? Et voila. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab a bowl. We're gonna cream together the eggs and the sugar. Big bowl. I am a messy cook, but I only say that I'm messy because I'm passionate. Okay, a cup of white sugar. And then 6 eggs. 1, 2,
Try to one-hand it.
No.
You don't know how?
Wait.
Say one-handed.
Huh? Okay, last one. I'm just gonna do it the regular way. 6. Wash your hands. Salmonella. Now today is arm day, so we're gonna cream this. It's gonna take a lot of arm strength. Don't worry. Next time your husband says, go to the gym, you're like, I made you bread pudding. Do you know how long it took me to cream the eggs and sugar? End of the story. I don't have a husband. Don't let your husband tell you to go to the gym. How about that? Damn, it's gonna take a long time. Well, we're creaming it?
Yeah.
We're gonna cream this? What is creamy?
Go.
You're gonna cream it. Big motions, round, until you don't see any of the sugar grains. As you can see, I don't work out my arms enough.
Want to look at the camera more?
So now that we've got our sugar and eggs mixed to a nice creamy consistency, not sure if you could see that, we're going to start adding all of the rest of our ingredients. It's pretty simple. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Put 2 tablespoons of spiced rum into this mixture. 1, 2. Now we're gonna put a can of leche condensada and a can of leche evaporada. This is condensed milk, which is super sweet and thick and creamy. We're just gonna go ahead and watch this. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some evaporated milk in here as well. Evaporated milk is thicker and richer than regular milk. So you can just imagine how decadent this is gonna be. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix it all together. It smells delicious. It's gonna be delicious. We are going to get this mixture and we're going to pour it all over this, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. And when you pour this on there, it's just gonna soak up, the Cuban bread's just gonna soak up all these delicious flavors. So it's been 40 minutes, but we're gonna check on it. All right, it looks good. It's heavy. Man, it smells good. We are going to make a guava sauce for this now. Just wait, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna give this a try just to make, sure that everything's good. Cause like, why not? Should we get a corner? I'm gonna get a corner. Now we're gonna make a super simple guava sauce. It's just guava marmalade, some maple syrup, and a cinnamon stick, and we're gonna simmer that up, and we're gonna drizzle it on. 1/4 cup of guava marmalade, 3/4 cups of maple syrup, grade A or grade B. If it comes in a plastic bottle, do not use it. Cinnamon stick. Now put this baby on the stove top and we're gonna simmer it at low. As soon as it starts to simmer, remove from heat and let it cool for 10 minutes. Now that we've got the sauce already made, we're gonna go ahead and plate up. Let's see. Okay, right here. How big should I make the piece? And it's still warm. Ugh. Oh yeah. All right, now to get it off the freaking spatula. There we go. Now I'm going to top this with the guava sauce that we just made, and because I'm extra, we're gonna put also a couple pieces of cream cheese. We're gonna go ahead and put that delicious guava sauce that we just made, that was super easy, right on top. Drizzle as much or as little as you want. Ooh, baby. Cream cheese. I'm just gonna put it right here next to it so I can get a little bit of everything in the bite. Finished product. Now we're gonna try it. So we're gonna give this a try. This goes amazing with some cafecito, which we show you how to do in one of our latest videos, which we'll link below. Yeah, let me give this a try. Some cream cheese. It's really good. Some great stuff right there. I'm Sophie from Miami Food Family. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us, share us, help us out. See you guys next time.